Hello to you, everybody. How are you doing? And how was your day? Hope you're all good. It's been a while since we checked on YouTube last, since we gave up strategy to our esteemed subscribers to trade with, and we are very sorry for this inconvenience that it may have caused you. And we are happy to be back again. We went on on a short break to learn more and to get more. It's not easy. It has not been easy, even with the strategy and things like that. We need to learn, we need to understand more. So we went on a break to research and get more facts on how to become more successful on on our trade. So that brought about Metatrader 5 coding tutorial from Profit Inheritors. Profit Inheritors will be in charge of teaching those who are interested in learning how to code their custom indicator and or coding your expert advisor. It's such a good thing when you learn to do this, how to do this on your own, when you don't just buy from people, how to you can just make up your own. There are many people who have potentials of strategy, as in potential strategy that are effective strategy that has that has as in profitable potentials, but they don't have this opportunity to be able to learn how to code. Coding sometimes can be a little bit hard or difficult, but will make it easier and simpler for you. So we're going to be engaging in a 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks lesson tutorial where we're going to be teaching and we're going to be explaining the fact and the reason why many traders fail to realize profit in their trade, and reason why they will not be able to realize profit in their trade, and the solution they can engage in order for them to be profitable in their trade, and other factors like how to how to get strategy, how to build up your own strategy, your effective strategy. I believe you understand that no one can understand your strategy as you like you. I hope you believe that, because when you engage in formulating your strategy in which you can enter for your buy, no one can understand just like the way, except you indicate it using a custom indicator, or you engage in an expert advisor where the robot will just engage according to the program of things that you have done, on the calculation on the things that you have done inside. It will just execute according to the program and many other things like that. So you can't just give strategy. There are sometimes, for example, we give strategies to our subscribers. Sometimes they'll come back, I don't do this, I don't do that, help us with this, and many other things like that. I sometimes don't blame them, because they aren't the one who got the strategy. So the basic understanding and the the fundamental reason behind each strategy is best known to the one who formulate the strategy and the one who sees into the market deeper. So we're going to be teaching you how to learn coding, how to code your own custom indicator. Like for instance, like your moving average, your how to design your own, the one you can see on the screen, how to design yours, how to trend analyzer, how to like, and many other things like that. How to indicate your buy arrow, your sell arrow, your verify support, your trend analysis, and many other things like that. They can help you with your trading activities and for you to get more profit. And we're going to be teaching you how you can make more money, how you can get more profit aside you trading with you can make more money on your trade, I mean in MT5, rather than aside trading. What am I trying to say? We're going to teach you how you can build your own, how to formulate your strategy, your perfect working strategy, that it will not neither lag or not. It can predict at least 70 to 80% accurate of the next coming market. We're going to be teaching you how you can determine the next move of the market with assurance of the possibilities of what's going to happen. So we're going, and how you can change this into a custom indicator where it will just indicate an arrow or whatever object you want it to show, that will indicate that you can go into the market and make your money. How you can go for a long trend and a short trend, and many other things like that. And we're going to be giving you other bonuses like other advantages why strategy fails and why you should just adopt any strategy on your live account. This is the reason why many traders should be careful of when you go out there and just take strategy and just start making use of it on your trading. It is not even the one profit inheritors give out. You should try as much as possible know the authenticity or how you can rely on such a strategy before you just engage in trading with it. And we're going to be teaching you you can how you can create your 85% above reliable strategies to trade, and how many strategy can you even use on your live trading account. We are going to be teaching you the deep secret of things, the reason why you can use more than five, the reason why you can use one, the reason why you can use more than 10, even on the depending on how you can relate the strategy together. You can relate each custom indicator depending on how you can relate each and every one on you. We're going to be teaching you how you can have 100% profit on your trade, how you can have little loss. You can just have little loss. And we're going to be teaching you how you can use your expert advisor, how you can trade with your expert advisor, how you can code your own expert advisor. Another thing we're going to be teaching is that how you can sell your expert advisor and how you can protect your expert advisor, in which no one will be able to use it except you, and no one will be able to use it except you give it the people who are making use of it with your handling, as in you can use they can make use of it only with your permission. They can't make use of it without your permission. We're going to be teaching you how to make use of a security where you can sell your expert advisor, that people worldwide will be able to know and be able to understand. We can help you even when you do this, when your strategy, we're able to test your strategy that it is good, and you are able to produce it using your custom indicator and your expert advisor. In fact, profit inheritors will help you sell, will help you advertise based so far it is reliable and good for everyone to use. You will be will help you sell, will help you without we taking anything of your profit, depending on the price that you on the tag of your trading system that you are giving out. So we're going to be helping people to realize more profit in in your trading. Believe me, it's a knowledge that it's worth it. It's a knowledge it's worth getting. You can get this knowledge, bet it. But it will be two. One for your custom indicator and another for your expert advisor. This this tutorial will just be a very cheap, very cheap. It won't be a cost one. We're not going to be it's not going to be it will just be a very cheap one. And another thing, another benefit you're going to be enjoying from this tutorial is that once we give you we will give you a full uh tutorial tips, in which whenever you want to engage in any troubleshooting or any, you can just go back to it and it will guide you, will give you a guidebook where you can just, it will teach you how to go with things. Even, and we're going to be making use of this strategy with video. We're going to be presenting a video tutorial. It's going to be a video tutorial. We're going to be teaching you both in practical and theoretically. We're going to be making sure that going to make sure that you understand the things on your coding, on how to code your custom indicator and your expert advisor. So, and many other things like that. You're going to be benefiting fact. You're going to be benefiting live and many things in this tutorial. So if you want to learn more, or you want to, there are many other factors that I can mention, but we're just trying to keep it short because of the time. We don't want to exceed the time on this video. So if you want more inquiry about this, you can just message me on my WhatsApp or message me on our Telegram channel. You can check the description on the link below the description of this video. You can get the things that you need here for you to contact Profit Inheritors. I wish you success and a blessed night. Good night. Bye.